Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. And unfortunately, there's no actual setting to do this. You have to contact support. So if you are on your TikTok profile page, all you want to do is click on the four stripes on the top right, and that'll bring up this little sub menu. And you want to go to settings and privacy. Now from here, all you want to do is scroll down to the bottom and go to report a problem. And then you're scrolling all the way down to chat with us. And now you'll be brought to the chatbot. And you want to click on account and say, I want to update my birth date. And then you're going to click on this form. And it's great how it gives you in detail everything that you need to choose in the form. So here we are. So in topic, we want to select change account information. And then in category, we want to select other. You want to put in your email address that is linked to your TikTok account and your username. They say it's optional, but just put it in there for safety. And then in additional details, you want to fully describe the issue, how you accidentally caused the issue, or so forth. And then you can upload any type of supporting documents to prove your age. So maybe a driver's license or some sort of proof. And that's really all that you need to do. From there, you want to just submit your ticket. Make sure to tick both of these. And then you just have to wait for TikTok support to get back to you. This could take some time, so be prepared for that. If you have been waiting a long time, do try and contact them again via email. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.